again and again and again and again with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. We all know that I'm always in the kitchen. Yes, we always know that. I want to say it is Christmas is coming so fastly, rapidly, and also we have this recipe I did some time ago, a couple of months ago, a couple of years ago, I don't remember, about making some curry chicken in the oven baked curry chicken. Fantastic recipe, guys. You can do some of that and put it on the table. You don't want me to cook it for you, please write your comments below, very important. And also stay tuned, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also you can subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. It's brilliant. Thank you so much, guys. And remember, guys, it's amazing. But anyway, you know, it's coming up to Christmas and we've been doing a lot of different things for Christmas. We've done crisp jerk pork, we've done oven baked chicken, and also we want to do some Christmas oven baked curry chicken. So first thing what we want to do, I have some garlic right over here. This is my little crusher cooker right here, like for crushing my vegetables and stuff. So basically I have a few cloves of garlic which I'm going to put in like this. Roughly about 4 cloves of garlic. Simple, we're just gonna give it mashed up. Get those flavor from the garlic. Very nice when you're using this for the garlic. And some spring onion. This is how we want to do this Christmas. Ah, the flavor. That looking lovely in it already. We got some thyme. Nice one, that's the thyme. I got some white onion. I want to put some white onion in it just to bring up the flavor a little bit. I got some white onion which I'm already cut up. I'm gonna just put the white onion inside of it. Yeah, man, it's looking good. That looking really good, honestly, guys. All right, let's scrape it out on the chicken and see what we're gonna look in. All right. Yeah, man. That looking lovely. You see that? Nice. Look at that. Nice. Rub up the chicken with this natural season first. It's not only for chicken, and that's probably about 2, 4, 6 pieces of chicken. Yeah, man. So we just put in on the natural season first. When you put on the natural season, I'll just wash off my hand. Yeah, when you put on the natural season on any meat, honestly, it tastes totally different. The flavor what you get from it, you never get from no other else meat. Seriously, guys. Olive oil. Pepper. Pinch of black pepper. Coarse pepper. Whenever a pepper you got at home, use it. Don't shy. Teaspoon of chicken season. Christmas oven bake. This is a Christmas oven bake curry chicken, and a teaspoon of chicken season. I don't know if it's all purpose or one of them I put on before. I don't even remember. So much things are going on in the kitchen. Yeah, man. But anyway, things looking good so far. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we need to put on some curry powder. Alright? Don't want to use that curry powder because that doesn't good at all, man. I like this one. Ready? This one really nice. It's a mild curry powder, but it's nice. One teaspoon of the mild curry powder. A little bit more. put a little bit of mixed herb. Like I said, oh no, chef, I put mixed herb on curry chicken. And a teaspoon of honey. Alright. I got some more spring onion, I might just put these on it, bring up the flavor some more. And I have a little bit more time. Little bit more white onion. That looking lovely and nice. So what we're going to do, we want to marinate it up and get that lovely color and flavor from it. So basically, it's good to use gloves, but you know what I mean, I'm already in the kitchen and thing. Look, put a little bit, 2 pinch more olive oil. Let's just rub it up like this. God, I'm gonna play with meat, you know. Me and Chef Ricardo. And this is Christmas, yeah. I'll show my fighting out there, a lot of stuff. Alright, so as I can see exactly what I want. This one is gonna be the oven baked curry chicken. So if somebody doesn't want any other else meat, I can do some of this for them. Something different. Yeah, nice. Nice one. Alright guys, look at that. See? Beautiful. All I have to do is just bake this in the oven for 30 minutes. And that's it. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments below. My name is Chef Ricardo, and I have a lot more ideas and recipes coming up for you. Christmas oven baked curry chicken. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere.